Well, here I am in the laundry room. Do men belong in here? I don't know. Anyway, the kids are sleeping, so I'm in here. I haven't slept yet. I'm tired. Let's see. What have I done lately? The Federal tires. We've been chit-chatting. So Federal contacted me. We finally got the tires in. We're going to be doing a review about that later as well for these tires for the rear of my car. Maybe going a cheaper route. But obviously, tires that still work. So, like I said, we'll be doing a review on those tires down the road a little bit because it's still cold out. And then I got a bunch of stuff I'll be doing for the car too. So maybe I'll reveal some of that too as well later. And then we got merch. So Pedretti Racing, that's coming out, but basically for my racing team. But we are going to expand it for the people out there who do want to support the channel and spread the word. We love it. And then subscribers, yeah, 1,000. We're getting close. I appreciate the love and support. Any comments you guys leave, I'll try to do my best to comment back and reply. And today's video, let's get into that. We got two nasty 3 valves. Really nice ones. I think you're going to like it. I think it's going to be a tough battle. I think they're going to really duke it out. You know, but we'll see. Because you guys got to vote. So, just like every video we have here of car versus car, the battle of the cars, you guys have to vote either A or B. And have fun because I think this is going to be a tight battle. All right, take care. Alrighty then, the last winner of the last event, Mason Pirtle. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Hardscoper Mason. And as we dip into this battle of the cars, it's obviously a 3 valve versus 3 valve. We got Trey in the house with Slow in the house, and you obviously know they're both 3 valves. Right here we got Trey, nice wheel setup. Love the color with the black combo. Awesome. I like a lot of exterior little mods here and there too as well. Back to Slow. Again, this is another wheel setup I really love, and that wide body. You can't go wrong with a wide body. And again, Trey, these tires, man, they're making me look bad. But I love it. It's a fat setup, beautiful. And Slow, can't go wrong with the wide body back tire setup. Again, both these cars got really nice setups. This is just my opinion, but I think they look good. Trey with a nasty roller. God, that's a sick pick. I mean, okay, I need to slow down, calm down. And then back here with Slow again, these wheels and that combo, that setup with the wide body. It's a good picture, I love it. And then here we are, showing the modifications. Obviously Trey right here has some exterior work that he forgot to put down, no biggie, but we can see it. And then right here with Slow, a fat list. He's got a lot of work done to this car, from the wide body and more, as you can tell. Let's dip into some videos. Sounds mean, man. Like I said, exhaust takes a rip in the front bumper. Now we're dipping on the Slow. Now back to Trey, a little roller shot, the exhaust clip, all in one. Okay, go on there. Then back to Slow, little walk around with that wide body. See that Mari hood too. I mean, this car is actually really clean, and it's hard because Trey's setup too is nasty. So you got both these cars that really sit. Back to Trey here. Car I believe is pushing well over 500 horsepower, possibly more by the time the video releases. And then we're going back to Slow, but this is an older video, but we are going to show you just, I wanted to throw another video in there, a little slower, I mean, video progress, before and after. This is before. Sometimes I like to throw those, before and afters here to kind of show the progression. Obviously, it's been a lot of work done to the car for this. It's nice to throw in little extra videos from maybe the past tense. I believe this wasn't too long after the whole wheel setup, you know, well, color change and more. Sounds good. Alright guys, we're going to dip into it. Either pick A for Trey or B for slow. You already know what to do. Leave it in the comments. See you later.